Hello, in this video I will show you how to add TikTok link on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your TikTok first. Like for example, I already have my TikTok open. Now after that what you have to do is click on your profile right over here. Then click on view profile. And inside your profile you will have your username. So just simply copy it. Now you can copy it from here or you can just simply copy this part at the very top. Now once you have done that, go back to your Facebook, then click on your profile and go inside your profile. Over here what you have to do is click on edit profile. Now just scroll down and click on edit your about info. Now over here go to the contacts and basic info, and right over here you will have the option of websites and social links. Now just simply choose the social link option right over here, click on it, then add a social link. Now over here just choose the platform, so choose TikTok, and then enter your username that you just copied. Now just simply choose what type of audience you would like to keep. You want to keep public, only me, private, it's totally up to you. Now in my case I'm going to keep this public. Now click on done and now save it. And just like that you have added your TikTok account to your Facebook account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.